just about to say that brand is one of the most important ones to run. What, so do you put any budget into dynamic remarketing, or we don't need it as such if you're running smart shopping?
From a settings perspective, you need the budget enabled so that it's running, so that it's on effectively, but it doesn't matter because it's not going to show.
That's right. Yeah.
So you can put it at whatever you want. And yeah, I have had some accounts, and I don't understand why, but I have had some accounts for dynamic remarketing for whatever reason, like Google just, I don't know if it's the GTM setup or whatever, but it doesn't get as expansive as it does for other clients. And in those instances, we've tried to like, well, what happens if we ratchet up budget, and seen, mild improvement there. Google loves it when you give it a signal like, hey, I'm willing to spend more here. That seems to, like, I don't know what, it's conspiracy theory-esque, but I've also seen it enough to where I feel comfortable saying that, you can just, you watch them get greedy. You can see Google salivate digitally whenever you're adding budget to things.